Good morning, Noor. All right, cool. So this is where we're at. We have another bank going down, Credit Suisse. I warned about it. I warned about it in my previous streams that it might go down, and it's actually about to go down. But the thing with Credit Suisse is, why is this so important? Why is this so big? Credit Suisse is a big bank. They have about 1.4 trillions in assets, 1.4 trillion euros in assets. That's enormous amounts of money. To put it in perspective, the whole entire GDP of Europe was 15 trillion, I think, 15. So this is like 10% of the entire GDP of Europe. And this is how much they hold in assets. And this is not only affecting Europe, because this is not only European assets they have. They have massive amounts of assets that they hold for US and for other parts of the world. So like global operations. So if they go down, you're gonna see the world economy shake a lot. Like that's a major bank, major institution going down, and that will affect the whole world. What do we do with that information? Well, we enjoy it, because the thing is like this. What, like on these streams, what do we trade mostly? We trade Bitcoin, we trade gold, and we trade Euro USD. Now the thing is like this. When the bank system goes down, when banking starts to fail, people are looking for alternatives. It's like I said, when the trust for the banks go, because the whole banking system is built on trust, and when that system goes, people need to find alternatives, and those alternatives are, the most common one is gold, and gold has always been like a hedging against the financial system. As soon as we see crisis or shakiness in the financial system, then gold is always a good hedge against it. And then we have the new hedge that has come up, and that is of course Bitcoin. So this is the reason why they gain strength when the traditional finance system, TradFi, is shaking, and that's that. And that is that. So, with that said, with those fundamentals, and just to understand, it's not only Swiss Bank, and it's not only Silicon Valley Bank that already experienced it. We got Signature Bank and we got Silvergate also in the same mess. So three major US banks and now a major European bank, and we're not done there. Deutsche Bank, which is also a major player in the financial world, that also got projects globally in the US and in Asia, South America. Even they, like, same thing. They are their assets ain't what the balance sheet was promising. So even we might experience the same thing as Credit Suisse. We might experience that with Deutsche Bank as well. So these banks are lining up now. The chaos is lining up. The recession is sniffing us on our necks. So what does that mean? That means that we're gonna have very